AI is moving at very fast pace, and what we don't want to do, we don't want to miss on important knowledge bits plus updates. Would you want to see latest AI developments or knowledge bits in less than 45 to 60 seconds? If yes, I have something important to share with you. As you all know me, I am Aman, creating content on Unfold Data Science since last 6+ years. I create deep dive tutorials, long videos, and all of you love that. It has its own place. But what is happening in today's world is lot of things is coming into AI. If you take last 1 to 2 years, before 2 years, you will not be talking RAGs, you will not be talking about agents. But now, inside agent itself, there are 100 things that you should know. Where from you will know all that? Do you have that much of time? No. Sometimes we should get for personal things also, right? So sometimes we just want to scroll Insta. Suppose I come to you and give you a small knowledge bit in that Insta scrolling time. I just take 45 seconds of you and give you something useful. For example, what is a multi-agent system? That is exactly where my intention is, and that is exactly what I want to do with a new YouTube channel called AI Bits by Aman. Here you will get latest in AI, the news in AI, what you should learn, why you should learn, and the breakdown of complex concepts in small bits. So 60 seconds or 45 seconds like that. This channel is there for deep dive videos. That channel will be there for small AI bits. We will grow both these together. Why? Because both these are needed. We need breadth of knowledge plus depth of knowledge. Remember guys, you can't afford to miss important topics. Hence, you must go and subscribe to that channel as well. I am dropping the link in the description. Go ahead, subscribe to that channel and keep an eye on videos. Some videos are already there. Just go and watch those. You are going to get AI Bits by Aman in less than 60 seconds. See you all on that new channel, and this channel will always be there for you. So let's grow both of these together. I am excited guys. Are you excited? Give me a thumbs up, give me a comment, share this new channel with the people you know, because nobody is giving you AI bits in less than 60 seconds.